In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset school password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to enter so your password updates smoothly and securely. This walkthrough assumes you're already signed in to your school account and know your current password. If you can log in, you're ready to follow along. The process is quick, and I'll add a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Start by looking to the top right corner of your screen and clicking your profile picture. That little avatar is your gateway to all account controls. If you're on a smaller screen or a mobile device, your profile picture or account menu might be behind a menu icon, but it will still be at the top right area once the navigation opens. From there, open Settings, then select the Account section. Settings is typically identified by a gear icon, and the Account tab focuses on personal details and security. If you land somewhere else in Settings, just switch over to Account to find the security options we need. Inside Account, choose Change Password. This takes you to the form where you'll enter your current password, then your new one, and finally confirm the new password. Enter the current password exactly as you use it to sign in. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check caps lock and any special characters. When you pick your new password, aim for something strong and unique. A good approach is to use a longer passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites and steer clear of easy-to-guess details like birthdays or simple sequences. If you use a password manager, this is a great moment to generate and store a strong random password. In the Confirm field, type the new password again exactly the same way. If there's an eye icon next to the fields, you can briefly reveal the text to ensure both entries match perfectly. After all three fields are filled correctly, the page will let you complete the change. You should see a confirmation message indicating the update was successful. If you get an error, it usually means the current password was mistyped or the new and confirm fields don't match. Re-enter carefully, watching for extra spaces or character mix-ups. That's it. You clicked your profile picture, went to Settings and Account, selected Change Password, and entered your current and new credentials. Keep your new password somewhere secure, and consider updating any saved logins in your browser or password manager so you can sign in seamlessly next time. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your account secure.